Ang pangarap ko lang noon, kapag nagkaroon ako ng extra na pera, ang gusto ko lang magpakain ng bata sa labas. Gusto ko lang i-cheer up yung mga tao na pinanghihinaan. Kaya kung tatanungin niyo po kung ano yung sekreto ko, ang sekreto ko po talaga, kayo po.
You say I got you wanting more. Don't blame me, I'll be out.
Happy birthday, Arnold! Happy birthday, Sir Arnold! Happy birthday, Sir Arnold! Wish you all the best!
I'll give you the key. Baby, don't stop when you're loving me. You don't have
Nung mga panahon na wala pa kami yung magkakasama, pero yung mga panahon na yon na walang-wala, pero masaya, saka stress-free. Kasi ang ginagawa lang namin sa department store, magdaldalan maghapon. Mag-aantay mag-break time, mag-aantay mag-uwian. Pag-uwi, magiinuman hanggang umaga. Yun yung mga panahon na ite-treasure ko kasama siya.
Happy birthday, Sir Arnold. Sana lumaki palalo yung pamilya natin at sana maging umaba pa yung buhay mo at marami ka pang matulungan.
Happy birthday, Sir Arnold from Team Yomi!
Hi, we're Bob! At gusto ka naming batiin ng Happy 30th Birthday!
And we wish you more success in life. Thank you for having us at your birthday.
You say I got you wanting more.
I love you. More than anything and more than anyone. Kahit sino. Hindi ko man palagi nasasabi sa'yo, pero through ups and down, alam ko nandyan ka.
I'll give you the key. Baby, don't stop when you're loving me. You don't hold back, got me feeling so free. Wanna kiss your body, so face it. You got me all like, I'll give you the key.
Na kung ano man yung mga achievement mo yung natanggap sa buhay sa ngayon, huwag kang makalimot ng magpasalamat sa Diyos at lagi kang mag-iingat at huwag magpabaya sa sarili. Happy birthday!
But then, dahil po nandito kayo, I want to take this opportunity to say thank you. Dahil kaya po kayo nandito lahat kasi every one of you have a big part on my success.